If you've ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of content ideas, you're not alone. What niche should I choose? What if I choose the wrong niche? These questions can be paralyzing, but fear not. Today we are going to turn that overwhelm into outstanding success by finding your niche. Let's dive in. 1. Understanding the importance of a niche. First off, let's talk about what a niche actually is and why it's super important. A niche is essentially a specific area of focus in a broader market. It allows you to target a particular audience, build a community, and stand out in a crowded space. When you find a niche, you create a space where your unique voice and expertise can shine. You're not just another creator in a vast ocean of content. You become a lighthouse guiding your ideal audience to your content. When I started my channel, I was literally confused whether I should do a lifestyle vlog or just entertain people. I was tempted to be all over the place. It wasn't until I honed in on content creation tips and personal growth that I started to see traction. I realized that my passion and knowledge on these areas could genuinely help others. 2. Self-reflection, which is knowing your passions and strengths. Now, how do you find that perfect niche? It all starts with self-reflection. Take some time. Think about yourself. Think about your passions, your interests, and your strengths. What topics excite you? What do you love talking about? What exactly do you love talking about? Is it relationship? Is it gaming? Is it lifestyle? Is it beauty? Music? Is it health? Is it fitness? Or you just love doing a podcast? Now, this is what I want you to do. Grab a pen and a paper. Now, make a list of all the things you enjoy doing. Now, write down your skills and your interest in a tabular form. Skills, interest. So in the first table, you're going to write your hobbies, and in the second table, you're going to write your skills. Okay, what skills have you acquired in life so far? Then look for the common threads. What do you naturally gravitate towards? This self-awareness is very crucial because when you create content you're passionate about, it shines through and resonates with your audience. I remember going through this process. Okay, I jotted down everything I loved, like productivity tips, motivation, content creation, editing. I realized that blending these topics would create a unique niche where I could provide immense value. 3. Researching your market. Once you have an idea of your passion, it's time to research the market. Check out what others in your potential niche are doing. What are their strengths? What are their weaknesses? What gaps can you fill? Have you ever watched someone's video and you're like, this video isn't clear, the sound quality isn't good, there's no hook, the person is not charismatic enough, the editing is not precise, this person is too slow, this person is too fast? Well, here is the secret. If you're able to identify those problems, then solve it. Yeah, solve it. Yes, this person's sound quality is not good. What can I do? Solve them. Look for trends and identify areas where you can bring in a fresh perspective. This doesn't mean you have to reinvent the wheel, but understanding the landscape helps you position yourself strategically. When I explored content creation channels, I noticed many creators focus on tips and tutorials, but very few shared their personal journeys and struggles. I decided to create my content based on my challenges and wins, which helped me carve out my space. 4. Testing and iterating. Finding a niche isn't a one-time decision. It's an ongoing process. Like Ali Abdaal would say, just start and everything will unfold with time. Don't be afraid to test different types of content within your niche. Create a few videos and see how your audience responds. Pay attention to engagement metrics, likes, comments, shares. Don't worry, your audience will guide you towards what resonates well with them. Use their feedback to refine your niche further and focus on what works. I experimented with different formats from quick tips, and I noticed that my audience loved detailed breakdown. So I started creating more of that type of content. It was like finding a hidden gem in my niche. And guess what? I'm still experimenting because I don't know what the future holds for my journey. 5. Embracing your unique voice. As you find your niche, don't forget to embrace your unique voice. Your individuality is what sets you apart from others. Inject your personality, humor, and experiences into your content. This authenticity will attract viewers who resonate with you. Remember, you don't have to be like anyone else. Your quirks and perspectives are what make you outstanding, so embrace them. I always thought I had to fit a certain mold to be successful, but when I let my true self shine, like my love for tips and storytelling, I noticed a shift in my audience engagement. People connected with me on a deeper level. So finding your niche is a journey from feeling overwhelmed to becoming outstanding. By reflecting on your passions, researching your market, testing different content, and embracing your unique voice, you will create a niche that's not only fulfilling but very impactful. Beautiful people, if you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more tips, and hey, your niche is waiting for you. Go out there and claim it. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.